need like to get it out a little bit and then I can pull it out.
Got a piece.
You did?
Got another wire.
Did?
Yeah.
You need to fix this. Yo guys, we have this right here.
We'll build something.
We have this right here, so we can fix this, guys.
No. You wanna break it?
You guys are fixing this?
No.
No.
I would.
Repurposing.
You just are breaking this
No, repurposing. Repurposing. No.
because something is broken and it can't log in. You're
Yeah.
talking. Oh, you're right.
What are you doing?
Ripping off pieces.
Oh, it's so easy now. Yeah, I can pull it out.
You got screws out?
Almost. Yeah, I got the second one.
Okay.
Nice job.
But I still need to get those out. Do you
Okay.
have a hammer? Oh, the hammer's right here. It's heavy.
Okay, guys. Bye.